29th, I believe, the year 2016, and trying to clean up a mess here in our bottom. Had a bunch that emerald ash borer killed a lot of our trees, so he wanted to get some other stuff cleaned up while he had the dozer. We'll look around here and take a look at the trees that the emerald ash borer was killing. Now they're not totally dead, what we see here, but as I pan across, you can see the tops that are bare, stripped down to nothing that the emerald ash borer killed. And we're not the only ones. There's, I think we had maybe 30 trees, and I'll scan up the top of this one tree, and you can see that it's dead at the top. I told him we might as well take it out too. And if I look over to the left above that old trailer down there in the far end, you can see that it's dead up top too. So we were hit pretty hard here in Bedford County, Pennsylvania by the emerald ash borer. Hit our state parks really bad in our forest districts. So you look down there in the bottom, that's not our property, but you can see down below our property there at the line, he has mowed that there's several of the neighbors' trees that are stripped out too. Quite a few down along the fence row there. You can see the dead of the trees there. So he's trying to get the bottom cleaned up, and that's working a little bit extra with the dozer to clean off some stuff. Well, he has it here. So had to check on the little guy back here behind me. Let's swing around. We'll take a look at our Charlie boy.